In this video, I will show you a second method how you can manually fix the another update is currently in progress error. So what you have to do is go to your hosting account and log in to PHP My Admin area. Then look for the database which is associated with the WordPress installation. In my case, wp_test_db, but in your case, probably going to be something different. If you're not sure how to find database name, I have another video on my channel where I explain how to do so. So look for the database and then click on the plus sign and the search, type the following options. You should look for the following table, wp_options, and then click on it. Then at the top, look for the search and go to the search area. And in the option_name, in the value section, type the following: core_updater.log, and then click go. And essentially what you have to do is delete this row. But before you do so, please ensure to have a backup copy of your WordPress installation and database, just in case if something goes wrong. So since I'm doing on my test website, I'll go ahead and click the following delete, and then click delete. So core_updater.log will be deleted in a moment. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Let's click on updates, and let's try to update the WordPress to 6.0.2. It should go through this time. Fantastic. We deleted the log and now we can update successfully. So I hope you found this short tip useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.